Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you about the wiring diagram for a two-way switch. So a wiring diagram for a two-way switch, and this is the diagram that I had drawn, and let me show you the schematic. So this is the schematic of the wiring diagram, or of two-way switch system. So this is the CCU, and then these are the two switches, the one gang two-way switch, another one gang two-way switch. Another name for one gang two-way switch is the same as one pole two-way switch, or there are also the two-pole two-way switch, and three-pole two-way switch. So it all depends. So three gang, so these are one gang two-way switch, and this is the light, the bulb. And so these two switches controls this one light independently. For example, let me show you the drawing. From the CCU, the neutral comes to the neutral bus bar and then goes direct to the neutral terminal of the lamp, and then the live from the bus bar, it goes through the circuit breaker. That's for the light. Then from the circuit breaker, it goes to the common of the first one gang two-way switch, the first two-way switch, and then the L1 goes to L1 of the second two-way switch, and then L2 goes to L2 of the second two-way switch. So for example, at this moment, there's a continuity between the live from the bus bar to the bulb. So this lamp is on. For example, if you see the light, the power flows from the live to the common to L1, then back to L1, then to common, and then to the lights. But if, for instance, I switch at this point, so if I switch at this point, there's no continuity, so this bulb is goes off. So this can be applied in a scenario such as a staircase, or maybe in a hall. When, for example, when you are down at the staircase, you can turn the lights on here, and when you are at the end, at the exit, you can turn it off through this point. So right now this light is off, so I can come and turn it on through this other end, via this other end. So this light is on. Let's say now I'm downstairs, and so once this light is on, once I get to the upstairs, and then I can turn it off. So basically that's how a one gang a two-way switch works. Yes, thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you and all the best.